Are your crackers in my soup, Jake? Oh, they're good, huh? Who taught you how to do that? Because it sure wasn't me, but I hope it's good. Look who's behind us. Hi, Maxie. And there's Biddy. And there's Jake. And it's this tuck shirt on again. How's your soup and crackers, Jake? I'm glad that I get to eat some dinner. Whatever you do, be sure to double dip. Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Jake, I think if you dip it 3 or 4 times, it gets really soggy. Not that you care. Dad, don't you wish you were here so people could dip soggy crackers in your soup? And then put them on the pug. Jake, don't dip your cracker in the pug. It gets nasty. No, Jake, don't dip your cracker in the pug. Maggie, no. Maggie, no. See, babe, it's always an adventure during dinner here. Is that the cracker you dipped in the pug? Or is that the other cracker? Maggie! Get back! She can't help it. Did you headbutt her? No. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna try to finish my soup. Get that whole thing in your mouth, Jake. There you go. Okay, bye-bye. Not with your fingers. Yep, time for another crack. No, I don't want that. Oh, there goes the pug dipped cracker. That's great. Okay, I guess I'm done with dinner. Bye.